Good morning, Igor. I didn't forget about you. This is the T-Bird. It came out beautiful. All it needed in service was, they went through the safety checks, but it was just an alignment. Everything else is spot on. Great looking car. We get around to the back. I already popped the trunks. I couldn't believe how much space there was back here. And it does come with the mats. I'm not sure what's in the bag. I didn't want to open it. Take you around. This thing is in phenomenal shape. Again, it's the 50th anniversary. Show you the passenger seat. This thing was sweet. Nice to drive. Here's your driver's seat. If you're going to get any real wear and tear, that's where it's going to be. There are no rips or tears. And we'll put the top up, which is simple. Locked away. Show you what kind of shape the top's in. Looks like it's been redone. Even the glass is clear in the back. Not glass, but so Igor, that's her. Again, my name is Jim. We're at Delray Buick GMC. My cell phone number is 407-715-5237. You can call or text me anytime. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a great day. Come test drive it.